आजच्या या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण ऑपरेटर्स पाहणार आहोत. ऑलरेडी वी हॅव सीन कंडिशनल पार्ट. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी operator. Now operator is a special symbol that can perform arithmetic and logical manipulations. Now in JavaScript there are 5 types of operator. We have already seen this part also: arithmetic operators, logical operator, assignment operators, comparison operator and conditional operator. Then let us see first operator is arithmetic operator. Now JavaScript supports 6 type of arithmetic operator. Sorry, it's almost 7 types of arithmetic operator: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus division, increment by 1 and decrement by 1. These are the arithmetic operator. Now you know that addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, these operators are performing and modulus division, these are performing the operation on two operands: addition of two operand, subtraction of two operand, multiplication of two operand, division of two operand and modulo division of two operand. And the last one, plus plus, increment by 1 and minus minus, decrement by 1, that is increment and decrement operator, they are performing on the single operand. For example, x plus plus increasing the value of x by 1, x minus minus decreasing the value of x by 1. Okay, so this is the arithmetic operator. Now let us see the example of arithmetic operator. Now if we see this example, now in this example HTML tag, body tag we have taken. Now inside the script tag we have declared two variables where x1 11 and where x2 12. Now in x3 we are doing the addition of x1 and x2. Then we have displayed with the help of document.write method addition value. Again document.write break tag goes to the next line. Again we have performed the subtraction x1 minus x2, and then we have displayed the subtraction value. Again document.write. In the same way, multiplication, division, modulo division, increment and decrement, all this operation we have done in this example. And after the writing this example, we have ended the script tag, ended the body tag and ended the HTML tag. Okay, so we can run this program also using save this program using html.html extension, and after that you can run this program with any web browser. Then you can see all the output. Okay, so let us see next part. Now let us second operator, logical operator. Now logical operator actually combine two logical expression into one expression. Okay, actually it combine two expression into one expressions. Now it uses for combining two expression includes this operator like logical and, logical or and logical not. These operators we are looking here, this operator they are used for combining the logical expressions. Now logical expression means that contain logical operator and evaluate by either true or false value. Logical expression is an expression that contain logical operator and evaluate either true or false value. Okay, now here if you see logical and, so logical and will be true when both the expressions are true, and logical or will be true when any one of the or two, at least one of the expression will be true, and logical not will be true if original expression is false, and logical not will be false if original expression will be true. So this is a logical and, logical or and logical not operators. Now let us see examples. Now let us see the example. Now in the example we have taken HTML tag, head tag. Now here we have taken title tag. Inside the title tag we have taken validate user ID and password. These things we have taken here inside the title tag. Now head tag is completed, body tag is started, now script tag is started. Now inside the script tag we have declared variable user ID password, user ID password. Then in the we have taken input box by using function prompt enter user ID. Now here we have used single quotation mark. We can use single quote or double quote, anything we can use here. Inside the single quote we have taken enter user ID. Then second quote is a single pair of single quote we have taken blank. Now user ID is whatever the value is entered, store in user ID variable. Again second we have taken input box prompt, use enter password. After entering password, it stored into the variable password. It stored into the variable password. Password is stored here and user ID stored here. Now after storing user ID and password, we are using the logical AND operator in if condition. The condition is we are doing user ID is equal to Samartha and logical AND password is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. If this condition is true, then if block is executed, and inside the if block it will check that uh, inside the if block it execute alert function login is valid, and if it is false then it goes to else block login is invalid. Now script tag is completed, then body tag is completed, then HTML tag is completed. So this is a program of logical AND. So if you run this program, first your input box will occur that will ask enter user ID, then second input box will occur to enter password, and it will display the alert box whether login is valid or login is invalid. Okay, so let us see the output. Now see here the output after running this program. Here first input box is offer enter user ID. Enter user ID. Suppose we have enter user ID Samartha. After clicking OK button, it entered second box enter password. After entering the password, after clicking OK button, it shows login invalid. Now it shows login invalid if we are making some mistake while entering the password. If you are entering the password correct, then it will not show this error. If password is incorrect, then only it shows this error. Now I have displayed this box, but my password is right. So this should not be occur, but it may occur when password is incorrect. Okay, so this is a output of the logical operator. Now second next part is the assignment operator. Now third type is the assignment operator. Now assignment operator assigns value from the right side of the operator to the variable on the left side of the operator. Operator assigns the value from the right side of the operator to the variable on the left side of operator. Now when assignment operator used with arithmetic operator, then it is called as a shorthand operator. Now here it's single assignment operator, it is called as assignment operator. But in the next case, here, all this case, in all this case, assignment operator is used with assignment operator, so it is called as a shorthand operator. Okay, now here one mistake I have done, I will correct it. Now here, now this is the assignment operator, this is a add then assign, it is subtract then assign, it is multiply then assign, it divide then assign, and it modulo divide then assign. In this way we are using the assignment operator. This operator are called as a shorthand operator. Okay, so if you have to write x equal to x plus y, so we can write here x plus is equal to y, x plus equal to y. In this manner we can write this shorthand operator. Okay, now again we have to go to that part. Now this is the assignment operator part. Okay, now let us see the example. Now here example, we are using the HTML tag, head tag, title, then closing head tag, then body tag is started. Now script tag is started. Now inside the script tag we have declared variable where a equal to 10. So we have declared value a, initialize variable a with 10, where b equal to 2, that means we initialize variable b equal to 2, then a plus equal to b, that means a equal to a plus b. आजच्या या व्हिडिओमध्ये